Hello students, welcome to online classes of Shemstar Global School. This is Nabila Fatima and I am here to teach you all social science. Since we have started a revision of this chapter, natural resources, land, soil and water. In the previous video we have done the revision of land. In this video we will do revision of soil and water. So now let's start our revision, and the first thing is soil. Now what is soil? It is a mixture of loose particles. So soil is a mixture of loose particles covering the layer of the earth. Soil is a subpart or subdivision of land which has its own characteristics. Soil contains organic matter, minerals and weathered rock. Here organic matter means dead and decayed plants and animals. Now let's revise soil profile. Soil profile is the different layers of the soil. In soil profile, there are 5 layers and each layer has its own property. First layer is O horizon. This layer is the topmost layer and it is considered as organic layer, as dead and decayed animals and plants are found in this layer. That is why it is rich in humus. Next is A horizon. This layer is also rich in humus and minerals. It contains most of the nutrients for plant growth. After A horizon, it is B horizon, or it is also known as subsoil. This layer is poor in humus but contains some minerals which are washed down from the upper layer by water. After B horizon, C horizon. C horizon is a layer where parent rock is broken down due to the process called weathering. And the last is R horizon. This layer contains the parent rock. Since we see different types of soil in different regions, types of soil depend upon the parent rock and the climate. Our next topic under this is soil conservation. Deforestation, overgrazing, mining, overuse of fertilizers result into soil degradation. Soil conservation is the protection of soil from soil degradation. There are many methods from which we can conserve soil, like afforestation, crop rotation, construction of dam, contour farming, etc. Our next topic is water resource. It is an important component of natural environment. Like land and air, water is also an important component of natural environment. Water is not only essential for drinking purposes, but it also provides shelter to many of the organisms. Water covers about 3/4 of the Earth's surface. The Earth is therefore called the water planet or blue planet. Earth has both fresh water as well as saline water. About 97.3% of water is saline water and 2.7% of water is fresh water. We cannot consume saline water as it contains high amount of salt. About 70% of the fresh water occurs in glaciers and in ice sheet in the mountain areas. Melting of snow is a source of fresh water. Most of the fresh water bodies are not accessible to us. Only 1% of it is available and useful for human beings. Therefore, it is very important to conserve water. Conservation of water. With the overusage and overpollution of water, it becomes very important for us to conserve water. We can conserve water by introduction of rainwater harvesting, by constructing more dams. We should stop wasting water, and the most important thing is by training people how to conserve water and not to waste water. So with this, we have completed the revision of this chapter. Please go through all the topics of this chapter, and if you face any problem in understanding any topic, then please ask from me by putting your questions in the comment section. Students, this is your today's assignment. This assignment contains 3 long answers of this chapter, and this you have to write it in your fair copy. This is question number 3. Till here is question number 3, and in this question you have to draw the diagram of soil profile. Diagram of soil profile is also given in your book. This is question number 4. This is question number 5. Till here is question number 5. Pause the video, write the answers carefully in your fair copy and send me in the form of PDF in Google Classroom.